All right, this is going to be our first session for the boys. We got to be really organized because we're going to be all over the place. But here we go. We're going to start off with activity 1. It's going to be groups of 5, and all it is pass and follow your pass. So if this person here passes the ball, opposite line, and all he does is follow in behind. And then this person passes, everybody steps up a little bit, follows behind. So that's activity 1, part 1. This one probably needs a little bit more space between the boys. So we pass the ball here, and then this person's going to come here, and then he gets it back. This guy steps out, gets a give and go. This guy will go in behind here, and then this ball gets pushed onto here, and now it's another give and go. And so it's just a repetitive give and go situation. Give and go. Okay? Most of the boys will know how to do this. Probably 3 minutes on that one too to keep it snappy. Activity 2 is 4 cones, each one about 10 yards apart. Everybody's going to stand outside. So the objective here is to pass and to stay outside the cones. This person here needs to step back possibly. I want them to receive it on the inside of their right foot. And so when they receive it on the inside of their right foot, that means coming across the body. So this is language that we need to try to develop. And so what's happening is that the player is able to face the field and then go ahead and pass it on to the next person. This one, next person here, they step back, receive it with their right foot, and so on. So we're just passing around in a circle, and then they need to step up back to the cone and step back again. So they're always on their toes, receiving the ball. This extra person, what you can have that person do is run all the way around and then replace this person, and then this person runs all the way around. They have to do a round plus 1. And that's just while the game is going on. A round plus 1. Does that make sense? Hopefully so. And so that's why the passing is going on, and they can just step in and replace each other as they go. So you can probably do this for about 4 minutes and then reverse directions. That's the variation on this one. And if you don't understand that, opening up the body exactly, but if it's going counterclockwise, you're going to be going with the right inside of your foot as much as possible, and move your body in position in order to do that. If it's going around the left, the clockwise direction, then you're going to be taking it with your left foot inside. We're always trying to play our inside surfaces if we can. Those are the best. And this is definitely two-touch. Emphasize two-touch. I want to see them opening up. You let that come across the body and then play it again. Okay, this next activity is going to be called diamond. And so the green person here is going to be on. And so that means that they're going to be running. So this ball is going to go in here. And to start off, it could go to either one of this person here or this person here. Either one. But they're just going to do a drop pass and then play it in here. This green person has to go cone to cone. They either get the ball back here, or they can do a variation where this person would pass it directly to one of these people and come off of it. They can do either. But if he gets it back here, then it's going to go here, drop pass, and then through. Cone to cone, same thing. Maybe they go here next time, this person steps up, boom, and cone to cone. Do that for a minute. Make sure you're timing. Then activity 2. So activity 2 takes these guys, and they're always going to do a square pass first. So the green person has to time their run a little bit better. So they're going to check their run, and then once they see that it's on, they're going to be running through. What do I mean by that? Well, if I start here, and the ball's here, ball's going to go there 1. This person checks their run because they might get the ball back, but it's going to go square here. Once they see that it's square, they time their run, so right when it hits the red guy, he's going to be going through. And the timing of that ball has to be really good. Get the ball, and then you can play it in. From this one, I would encourage that the green touches the cone, and then you can play here. Then here, this guy checks the run, and then he goes through. Time it. I'm kind of doing that wrong because this ball should be going first, and then this person's going to be coming onto it, and then play it in. So that's another 1 minute bout. Then rotate everybody through is what we're doing, right? So the green person's not doing each one of these consecutively. This is a different round each time. Then the third variation is going to be square pass, same exact thing, but now it's going to be an overlap by the green person instead. So if they start with the ball here, kind of the third man overlap, it's going to go there, and then he's going to decide to stay here, and then he sees it here, he times his run to get over and then through, same thing, ball in there. This person chooses one of these two people to go to, it doesn't matter which one. And then this person is going to run the direction of the ball, and then here, okay? And so then they keep on playing it in. These end guys, especially if you have goalkeepers, these end guys here can use their hands too if you wish. And if we have time, I wouldn't mind doing any one of the three. They can choose whichever one they want. So if I have the ball here, maybe the first time they give it and then they say, yes, back. And so then they get it back and then they pump it in there. Go to the cone, ball goes here, and then maybe it goes across, and then this person times their run, so they get up right to the line, then the ball goes through, then they go on to it. So they randomly do it. Maybe the next time they do the overlap. Then the last variation, if you can, I don't know if you can or not, but maybe you can get a goal, and then they just have a goal here. Keeper maybe has the ball ready every time so that they can pump it out right away. Same exact movements. So this player, we're stuck together now. But same exact thing, but go to goal. 1 minute bout for each one of these. 1 minute, rotate through everybody. 1 minute, rotate through everybody. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. See how we do on time. These activities, these three activities probably should take us through to the end. And then you can figure out what you want to do with them at the end if you want to run them a little bit or whatever. But they should have gotten a lot of touches during this. Okay, I hope this video helps you. Thanks for all you do.